Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Counter-Strike 1.6 widescreen problem with quick and simple steps. If your game looks stretched or not properly fitted on screen, first open your graphics control panel and set scaling mode to maintain aspect ratio instead of full screen stretch. Next, go to your game shortcut, right-click it, select Properties, and in the target box, add resolution launch parameters like -W 1920, -H 1080 to force widescreen. After that, open the game video settings and manually select your native resolution if it is available. You can also switch between OpenGL and Direct 3D modes in video settings, as one of them usually fixes display issues. If the problem still remains, update your graphics drivers and restart your system. Follow these steps carefully and your widescreen issue should be fixed. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.